Glossier Skin Tint. What? I've never even tried that before. Why did I say that? Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Meryl. If you are new here, hello, welcome. Thank you for joining me today. And if you're not new here, thanks so much for coming back. I appreciate it. So today I've already got my brows on because I think you know how I do my brows. I use my Refi Brow Sculpt and my Glossier Skin Tint. What? I've never even tried that before. Why did I say that? My Glossier Brow Flick. Yeah, that's what's on my brows. So I think I've showed you in a video, so if you're curious, I'll link it up here and you can go watch it there. I've said that it's not the fastest way to do it, but I mean, it's kind of like anything. Once you get the hang of it, it gets quicker, so you just gotta keep on trying. I got another new tattoo. There she is. Love her. This arm is like almost full. This whole inside is empty though, but the outside is full, so fuck yeah, bud. Today I kind of wanted to do a fun eyeliner look. I don't know how it's gonna go, but we'll get there when we get there. I'm gonna do my base first. I'm gonna use this e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. I've had this for a while and I've used it a couple times, but I don't remember how I like it, so we're gonna go in with this. I've got my skincare on already. Oh fuck, I didn't clean my sponge again, man. Why do I never clean it? I did, however, clean my brushes, so those are fucking clean. So this says it is a, where did it go? Satin finish. There we go. Says it is a satin finish. So I'm going to apply it to my face with a brush, and I have this in the shade Light Ivory. Pretty light. Okay, I'm gonna take my sponge and blend it all in. Do I look like a ghost? I think I do. Perfect, love that for me. Okay, I'm gonna take this concealer. This is my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Light Ivory. Are these both this? Do you look at that? They're the same shade. Definitely didn't buy them at the same time. Oh. First, I'm going to take my Jecca Black Under Eye Brightener. I do not remember if I liked this foundation or not. I haven't used it for like a long time, so there is a possibility that I don't like it. Perfect. I put it on the pimple, so now the pimple's even more red. The base is on, and yes, it does look quite bright in my viewings. What's next? I haven't filmed for a while, and I swear to God I say that every time I film, but I shall be more consistent. Well, I've been okay. And yesterday, so today is January 9th, yesterday was my 1-year anniversary on YouTube. How exciting. I'm excited to see what this year has to show. I'm excited to see what I'm gonna do this year. There's gonna be some changes. There already has been some changes, but I'll get into that at a later date. This is my Tarte Seychelles bronzer. Quite light, so I'm kind of going not like heavy on the bronzer, but we're definitely using it. Now I'm gonna go in with some blush. I'm taking my Patrick Ta She's So LA. We're gonna do both today. I've been just using the powder recently, but we're gonna put all of it in because this foundation is like satin finish, so it's not very dewy, and I'm like, your girl needs some more shine. We're also gonna use the powder in our crease today. So that would be fun. I'm gonna take the cream now. Taking my CoverGirl True Blend powder. We're going to set our under eyes. Alright. The face is mostly on. Actually, you know what? I think I'm going to set it just because it does look more matte than I normally like. So we're going to take our Charlotte Tilbury Setting Mist just to kind of like bring some moisture into the face. I think I missed a lot of those. Nope, I didn't. It's like you think you're missing and then you look in the mirror and you're like, no, you're literally dripping in setting spray now, so chill. I'm thinking I'm going to use this Huda Beauty liner, the, excuse me, Life Liner by Huda Beauty, but I don't want to use this brush, so I'm gonna dump some onto my palette. If it'll come out, I have no idea. I love the pencil of this liner, and I feel like the black liquid liner will be quite nice as well. So we're gonna use that, but I'm just gonna use it on like with a different brush because I don't love those like super long brush tips. It just, I don't know. Maybe I should try it. Should I try it? I don't want to. Okay. We're gonna first do some shadow in the crease. So I'm just gonna take the Patrick Ta She's So LA blush. I haven't used this on my lid before, so I think it'll be quite nice. Yes, dude, that's a beautiful color. So we're gonna do like a double wing kind of situation. Now, time for the fun part. So I'm gonna take a couple different brushes here, just, I don't really know, I think I'll use this one for the more detailed, smaller wing, and then I'm gonna use this one for like the main wing. What? The main wing across the lid. What is my problem, dude? I swear to God I ask myself that every single time I film. Okay, should I zoom you in? Maybe I'll zoom you in a bit. Hey. Alright, so we're gonna start with some like a classic wing, okay? And then we're gonna do like another wing on the bottom, and then it's gonna kind of come out a little bit here. And then we're gonna do like the nice inner corner wing as well. So let's give that a shot here, people. So I'm taking my Huda Beauty Life Liner. Wow, that is super black. Oh my God, hell yes, dude, I'm stoked to use this. I need some chapstick. My lips look crusty as hell. I've never used this liner before, so hopefully it doesn't like transfer. Also, I've been obsessed with this ColourPop this ColourPop Lippy Balm. I've had it for so long, but it's such a good lip balm, and when I wear it to go to bed, it's still on in the morning, so it's like super good, super hydrating. I love it. There's the liner on top. This one looks super nice. I like that one a lot. This one's mediocre. I've never done this before, so we're learning together. I think also this is pretty smudge proof. I have a lot on my back of my hand, but like some of it, I think this stuff is wet still, but look, it like hardly smudges, so that's good. Now for the bottom. I think I'm first gonna do my bottom waterline with the pencil side. Just because then I can, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Now I'm gonna take this small Smith brush. This is a Smith 203, and it's just like a super tiny little brush. Nice detail liner brush. And like I always put it onto my hand, and then I just kind of prime the brush with the product to make sure it's all nice and saturated and there's no like globs of liner. And we're gonna fucking wing it. Other people make this look good. I wonder if I should have done the bottom wing first. Maybe we just have to clean it up a bit. It looks okay. Now the reason I swiped inward is because I don't want to pull the product out any further. If anything, I want to bring it inward, right? So that's why I did that. Yeah, but you don't want to continue to touch it too much because it will like get muddy looking. But I think I'm happy with that. I had no idea what I was trying to do, but you close it, it's like a little double wing. It's cute. Now to do the same thing on the other side. Should we try to do this inner corner thing first? I have no idea how to do that. But you know, you're never gonna learn unless you try, so just do it. Okay, and then we're gonna clean that up. Wow, I almost dipped my cleaning brush in the black eyeliner. Does it look too like ball-like? I don't know if you know what I mean. Okay, I'm gonna do the other eye and then we'll see what else we're gonna do. I actually just decided to pull this one out like a bit further and I think that looks good. I'm pretty happy with the way those turned out. It's kind of cute. For lashes, I'm gonna use my Allure by Arch lashes in the style Blair. They're super nice. I want like a flare out at the end and these are perfect for what I want. So I'm gonna put my lashes on. I'll be right back. Okay, lashes are on. Okay, we're almost done here, but I think I need some more bronzer because like I was touching my face a lot, applying the liner, so some product I feel like removed a bit. So I'm just gonna touch it up a little bit. Also, if I'm always looking right here, it's because this is right where my mirror is, so sorry if that's annoying, but I try to make as much eye contact with the camera as I can. But this is just right where my mirror is, so I'm gonna use the same lip combo I used in my last video just because it was so freaking cute. So I'm gonna take my Quo Beauty lip liner, lip contour pencil in Nuditude 52. Take my ColourPop Raw Beauty Christie Wildflower lip gloss. Ah, perfection. I love this little lip combo. Let me zoom you out. Everybody, this is today's final look. I think it's kind of cute. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll have all the products I used listed in the description box down below. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you liked it. And I'll have my Instagram here, also in the description box. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.